Hi guys, welcome back to the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're looking at the best diagnostic scan tool and scanners for Mazda and Mitsubishi vehicles in 2021 and 2022. And at the end of the video what I'll do is I'll give you my personal recommendation of which of these tools I would personally buy given my 15 years experience in this field. Now I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. These links will take you to the genuine and official products. Be aware of fakes and clones, they do exist, unfortunately, and it makes our job a lot harder, not to mention the fact that they could damage your vehicle and they won't work correctly. So use the links provided, they will take you to the genuine listings. I'm going to start with the cheapest and work my way up to the most expensive. It's generally said that the more expensive the tool, the more functionality it will give you, and that generally is always the case, to be honest with you. But there's nothing to say that if you went for the cheaper tool, this tool here may well serve your needs perfectly well, but we'll get into that in a moment. In fact, we're starting with the iCar MHM version 1.0 kit. So the MHM actually stands for Mazda, Honda and Mitsubishi, so it does cover Honda vehicles as well. This tool will cover the main 4 systems in your vehicle plus some others. So the main 4 systems are the engine, the airbags, the ABS and the transmission. So as a minimum you should get access to those 4 systems when using this tool. It will also allow you to do service resets as well. So if you've got a service or maintenance message, this will allow you to do that reset as well. Now, depending on the vehicle's setup, depending on what systems are installed into the car, the tool will also give you access to some other smaller systems, but to be honest with you, sometimes it can be a little bit hit miss. I would definitely only go for this tool if you are confident that you'll get good communications with the main 4 systems and of course a service reset as well. So then we move up to the iCar JP version 2.0. Now this kit will do everything that this kit will do. However, this has additional service functions which include electronic parking brake, diesel particulate filter, deep reset and regeneration, injector coding, ABS brake bleeding, electronic throttle reset, steering angle sensor, new battery registration and reset. It's important for me to point out though that the functions that I've just mentioned don't work on all vehicles. So what I'm going to do is put an email address in the description below. Use that email address, send the guys at Diagnostic World a quick message with your vehicle VIN number, and they will check as to whether any of these functions will work on your vehicle or not, and if not, they may well recommend a different tool for you. But that's the iCar JP version 2.0. Now as we come on to the iCar CR Pro now, this kit again is a step up. It will do everything that all of these kits will do, but this kit covers vehicles in all regions. Sorry, one thing I forgot to mention about this one actually is that this one covers all Japanese vehicles. So yes, it covers Mazda, Mitsubishi, Honda, but it'll also cover the likes of Nissan, Subaru and Toyota, Isuzu, Lexus as well, I would say. Yeah, so I've probably missed something there, but that covers the Asian market. This tool covers all markets, so it covers the Asian market, so everything that these will do. It also does the American market, so the likes of Chrysler, Chevrolet, Jeep, Dodge, and American Ford, and also the European market as well. BMW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, Mercedes, European Ford, Porsche, Vauxhall. There's probably a lot more that I haven't mentioned there as well, but ultimately, you're going to get the same coverage and the same functionality carried over from this tool into this tool, but this tool does it on a wider range. So let's say you've got a Mazda or Mitsubishi as one car and you've also got a BMW as another car, then this tool would serve you well for that. And then then next up we come to the Autel MK808 kit. This is the most expensive kit. It does have more features though. It is the best tool on the table without doubt, but unfortunately it is probably out of the budget of most DIYers. It's double the price of this tool in fact. But it does have 25 service functions, so it covers all of the service functions included in these kits, but it does additional things like adaptions, it'll do gear learning, it'll do suspension calibrations. So it is a more advanced tool, and I guess it may be more geared towards sort of mobile mechanics, small garages, small workshops. Having said that though, if you're a DIY and you've got a big budget and you want to go straight into the deep end, then there's no problem with getting this tool because it is very easy to use, and I do find it very easy and sort of really good to connect to vehicles. So But that's, having said that though, you know, if all you've got to do is reset an airbag light on your Mazda or Mitsubishi, there's no problem with going for this kit. You know, it's the cheapest kit, it'll do the job. It all depends on your specific budget, in what you're looking to get out of a tool and your specific requirements. And which of these tools would I choose? Well, if I'm looking for a tool which will give me the maximum vehicle coverage, the maximum system coverage, and the maximum service or special functionality, then I would, without doubt, say the best value for money tool is the iCar Soft CR Pro Kit. As I say, it covers all makes and models, and it does a wide range of functions, and it covers a huge range of systems within those wide range of vehicles, if that makes sense. So this is the one I'd go for. Best value for money tool all day long. It's the top tool at the minute by iCar Soft at the time of making this video. So yeah, so I'll put links to all of these kits in the description and in the pinned comment section. Remember to follow those links, then you'll be taken to genuine products. And I'll also put the email address for Diagnostic World in the description. That way you can contact them to make sure any of these tools are suitable for their needs. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, or you've taken some value from it, or you learned something, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll be back on the Scan Tool Network with more videos very soon.